All right, Math 1, final benchmark number 11. Consider the regular hexagon where points H, J, K, L, M, and N are midpoints of the respective sides. All right, so midpoints means these are each halfway between the two vertices. All right, a reflection across which line will carry the regular hexagon onto itself? Okay, so let's just change colors here and see which one works. The line formed by connecting points J and N. All right, so J and N are here. All right, so if we reflect it across that, would it reflect across itself? And the answer is no. This section is much smaller than the other section. All right, the line formed by connecting K and N. All right, let's erase this one and look at K and N. All right, so that one, if it reflected across itself, that one would represent the same thing. So that one is probably the answer. So we're going to say B. Let's come back to it. All right, let's change and make the next one orange. So this one's going to be orange. The line formed by connecting points L and K. All right, L and K are here. We can see real quick that that one's not going to work. So we can erase that. And then let's look at the lines formed by connecting M and H. All right, M and H are here. And again, this is just a small portion. It's not halfway, so that one's not going to work either. So if we go back and look at B part, the lines formed by K and N are in the middle. If we reflect across that line, this point goes to here, this one goes to the center, this one goes to here. That one is going to be the correct answer. So the answer to number 11 is B.